Hello everyone in cyber world. It's time for another project, so let's get right into it. Mrs. Poorman has decided to buy a new washer and dryer. Unfortunately, it's a little bit bigger than our old pieces of junk, so we're going to have to do some renovations to the laundry closet. This video is the first of three to show exactly what we did to get it done. Well, before we build anything new, got to destroy everything that we have right now. Then again, the old dryer makes for a great step stool. Looks like I'm going to have to patch all the damage I did when taking apart the shelves. Finally got the machines out of the way and started to sand. What a mess. And now it's time to paint. Don't worry, when the paint dries, the colors will match exactly. And there you have it. Part 1 is done. The new washer and dryer are installed, and we're ready to move on to the next part on another day. Until then, see you later.